Good morning, Manila. So it's 6 o'clock in the morning here in Manila. This is the view from my balcony. And already coming out on the balcony, I hear lots of horns honking, many vehicles, lots of traffic, I'm sure. And a beautiful sunrise, I'm sure, right around the corner, the edge of the building here. But something new I've been hearing. Lots of roosters crowing in the morning. So I'm up very early this morning. I'm gonna have to run to a quick McDonald's run this morning so I can come back dressed quickly and catch a jeepney. And I'm going to church this morning. Evangelical Apostolic Church of Makati. God bless you all. I hope you all had wonderful services, and I hope you have wonderful services tonight, because this is the afternoon in America, about to be evening. God bless you all. I love you all.